Okay, I'm going to show you how to open up the Preview app in your MacBook. Whether it's MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, this is how you can open it. There's multiple ways. One of the easiest ways is to hold Command and then press the space bar. Then search bar is going to appear. You can type in Preview. As you can see, I already have. There it is. Going ahead and double click Preview. And one thing that makes Preview confusing is that it doesn't actually open like most applications do. Instead, it is running, and the way to tell is that it's right here. It says Preview. And you can see down in the dock, it's also open right here. Now what I'm going to do for future purposes is I'm going to do the two-finger click, two-finger select here, go to Options, and then I'm going to do Keep in Dock, and that is going to make sure it always appears there even when, oh sorry, got to make sure it is check marked. It's going to keep it there so that I never have to search for it again. It's just always right there. So that is the quickest way to find Preview, in my opinion. Now, there is another way. You can just open up Finder. Let's see. I'm going to go to one of my clients. SIPs. I'm going to open up, let's see. Here's a background that we found for them. This opens up Preview. Anytime you're opening up a JPEG or a PNG or a PDF, it actually uses Preview to open it. So from here, I have access Preview. So for instance, if you want to do the method of like creating something in Keynote, like let's say I wanted to take some text, like hello, okay? I'm going to change this to Gotham because I love Gotham. I use it all the time. It didn't change it because I didn't highlight it. Okay, go to there. I'm going to go to Ultra. I'm going to go to Black. I'm going to change it to 300. Again, what am I doing here? Go to 300 for font size. I'm going to drag it out. Good. Now, in order to save text like this in Preview, you actually can't just take text. You have to drop in something behind it. So I'm going to drop an object behind it. This is like a really silly workaround that you have to do. And I'm just going to move that to the back. And now I can select these things. I'm going to hit Command C for Command Copy. Now I'm going to go to Preview, hit File, and then do New from Clipboard. And now, when I hit Close, I get to choose how I want to save it. I can save it as a PNG, which is usually what I prefer. So titling it as that. Now, if I wouldn't have had this box in here, like I said, and I just copied it, Command C, Preview, New from Clipboard. See, the New from Clipboard isn't even showing up. It has to, I can't just save text. It has to be text with an object. So I like to hide something behind it. If you had like a photo in here and text, it would work. You could select them both, copy it, and then it would show up in your clipboard. This, I think, is a good description of how to do it. I hope this is helpful. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Have a great day.